Markets reacted to the stronger than expected inflation data was just the belief that, okay, this means the Fed's going to have to fight harder to get rid of the inflation. That just means higher for longer, and that would hurt gold and it would help the dollar. But I think as investors start to realize that higher inflation numbers don't mean the Fed has to fight harder to win. It means the Fed has already lost and inflation has won, because there's a limit to how hard the Fed can fight given how much debt is in the system, especially how much debt the governments have and how much debt the banks are holding. And as much as the Fed would like to see lower inflation, they don't want to see a financial crisis. They don't want to force the U.S. government to default on its obligations. The Fed is very political, and so when it has to pick its poison, it would rather pick inflation than a financial crisis and just a collapse of the banking system and sovereign debt crisis. So when the markets realize that that's where we're going, I think gold's going to be off to the races.